Spend half my life waiting on concrete trucks. That's what the man said. Hey guys, Andy here with Expert Renovation. Have a small 4.5 yard add to a driveway parking pad. Nice morning waiting on the truck, but here's what it is. We're set up. Concrete looks good. We'll have this poured pretty quick. We're going to put a curb around the back two edges. And that's how we do it. Call us if you've got any kind of concrete work, driveways, retaining walls, foundation walls, any type of grading or excavating, we can handle it for you. 478-501-0102. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.
Let's do 5 more, that way we can move it faster.